With us this morning. Morning, Carol.
Good morning, everyone. This morning is a cold start to the day across some parts of southern, southeastern and eastern England, as you can see from this beautiful Weather Watchers picture sent in from Cambridgeshire. Now, the weather today is going to be mild as we go through the day after the chilly start. It will remain dry in the southeast, although clouding over, a little rain in the northwest. But even, not just today, but even through this week, the mild theme continues. And you can see all this yellow moving across the British Isles, just illustrating that we have got milder air coming our way. Now, first thing this morning, we do have the frost. There's a little bit of mist around. Most of that will lift fairly readily now, and the sun is already out. But for the rest of the UK, it's a fairly cloudy start. And we've got this band of rain crossing Scotland and Northern Ireland through the day, getting into Northern England and parts of Northern Ireland. So brighten up behind that band of rain. It's going to be breezy wherever you are, windy across the northwest, and we'll hang on to some bright skies in the far southeast. Here temperatures up to 12, but more or less in the range 9 to 12, maybe 13 in the sunshine later across the Moray Firth. Now, through this evening and overnight, here is our weather front. Watch how it pivots, takes its rain back through Northern Ireland, northwest England and Scotland. And it's still going to be a breezy night with a lot of cloud around. And with temperatures like this, we're not anticipating any problems with fog or frost. Now, the high pressure drifts a little bit further eastwards through the course of Wednesday. We have an array of isobars. That means it's going to be windy, and this weather front continues to take its rain out of northern Scotland and into the Northern Isles, only to be replaced in the west by another front producing all this cloud and some rain. Now, the rain will peter out, but the cloud will still be thick enough in some western areas for some drizzle. Move away from the west, and we're looking at dry and bright conditions with sunshine across the rest of England and also Wales. Highs again tomorrow, 11 to 12, possibly 13 around the Moray Firth. Now, Wednesday we've seen is going to be mild. We're pulling up all this mild air from the south or the southwest, and it will continue this way into Thursday and Friday, with some parts getting as high as 15 degrees. So we start Thursday on a fairly cloudy note, but it won't last long. Thursday we expect to be fairly sunny, lengthy sunny spells. That southerly wind that we saw coming up, and indeed temperatures widely, well, you can see here 11s and 12s, but we're expecting 13 or 14, 15 possible around the Moray Firth. That will make it the warmest day of this year so far. On Friday, it looks like the warmest weather will be across East Wales. Here too, we could see 15. So for the end of the week, stay mild, wind strengthening and rain at times. Now, I want to take you now to Canada, because in Alberta, in Canada, on Sunday, we saw these amazing pictures sent in by Dar Tanner. Now, this is quite an unusual atmospheric phenomenon. It's called light beams, and how they form is when the air is cold, and in Alberta it's been as cold as -40, ice crystals form, and they're suspended just above the ground, and they reflect light. So they'll reflect street light, moonlight, sunlight, for example. And it's the flat edges of those crystals that really reflect the light, giving this optical illusion of light beams. Amazing, Lou and Dan.
Oh, they're absolutely. It just looks like there's a sort of spotlight, doesn't there, on the ground. That's stunning, Carol. Thank you.